Hi, welcome to our VB Developing channel. Hope everyone is well. Today we are here with a new video. In this video we will discuss about Python decorators. So let's get started. In Python, decorators are a powerful and flexible way to modify or extend the behavior of functions or methods without altering their actual code. Decorators are essentially functions that take another function as an argument and return a new function that usually extends or modifies the behavior of the original function. They are commonly used to add functionalities such as logging, timing, access control, or caching to functions. Let's go through a simple example to illustrate the concept of decorators. In this example, my decorator is a simple decorator function that takes another function called as func its argument and returns a new function wrapper. The wrapper function contains the additional functionality you want to add before and after calling the original function. In this case, it prints messages before and after calling the original function. So let's execute it. As you can see here, our additional function is appear in between two print function. Alright, now we can use the @decorator name syntax as a shorthand for applying a decorator to a function. Here's the same example using the syntax. Here we just replace some code. Let's execute it. As you can see here, we got same output. This is functionally equivalent to the previous example, but the syntax is more concise. Now, let's explore a more practical example. Suppose you want to create a timing decorator to measure the execution time of a function. Let's see this. In this example, the timing decorator measures the time taken to execute the decorated function slow function. The wrapper function captures the start time before calling the original function and the end time after calling it. The time difference is then printed as the execution time. So let's execute it. After 3 seconds the output will be appear in front of us. As you can see here. Now we will learn one last thing, which is called logging decorator. Okay, let's execute it. As you can see here, first print the function name with arguments. Secondly, arguments returned 15. So friends, our today's video was up to this. Thanks for watching the video. See you in the next video. Please subscribe our channel, and don't forget to like the video. Thank you.